Come on, Ted. Go, Ted. Go, Ted. $149.99 and then take. Got it. He red lighted. Going the second round. 877. What did we run? 877 with an 8. We're dead on dial, baby. Good job. Engine Ice keeping us nice and cold on this hot, humid Texas day. Lucas Oil keeping us all lubed, and Slick Products keeping us all shiny going down the track. Dead on dial.
Which one you got?
877. I'm
908?
908.
Okay. Winner.
There we go. He went red with a .021. I went at 106. 202 60 foot. 81 miles an hour. Wow. 877 with an 8. That was a 202 with a 9 60 foot. Best mile an hour, Mama's Toy, on a hot, humid day. Woo! Thank you, guys.